Well, you got this nice little problem here. You could set it up in the matrix if you wanted to sort of cheat, like I showed you a method a couple problems ago, where you go like 1 and 2, the coefficients on the two x's, a 5 and a -1, the coefficients on the y's, and you have this like vertical line where the equals is, and the 17 and the 1. Then you can hop on over to the Desmos calculator. This is where I got in trouble the last time though, when I tried to, maybe I'll just open a new tab for a matrix Desmos. So Desmos calculator, don't go to the graphing calculator. I got a window on top of something here, math tools, and the matrix calculator there. You do a new matrix. This one is 2 rows and 3 columns. You do that one, I'm arrowing to the right, 5 and the 17 and the 2 and the -1 and the 1. This one wouldn't be too bad to do by hand either, but I was just gonna show you again how you can use this reduced row echelon form is what the RREF stands for, when it puts the 1s and the 0s on the left, just so you're solving. It's doing a whole bunch of elimination behind the scenes for you, and we're doing that on matrix A. And so we see 2, 3 for our solutions there if we were using that. Let's go back and show how we could do it by hand though also. I'm kind of thinking on this one that substitution seems like it might work nice. You know, I could throw this 5y on the other side and have x equals 17 minus 5y. Then you substitute that in place of this x right here. So we'd have 2 times the 17 minus 5y minus this y equals the 1. And now you have an equation with just one variable, so you can solve that. So I'm going to distribute this 2 in. I've got 34 minus 10y minus 1 more y equals that 1. Subtract the 34 to the other side. That gives me a -33 over there. -10y and a -y is a -11y. Dividing by that -11, I get a y of 3. I believe I saw that when we had the Desmos calculator up. Let's take a look at that. A y of 3, did that show up in there? You bet it did. You betcha. That 3 right there is in the y spot, and x of 2. And so that would be the next thing we would have done back here too, is put the 3 in for the y, either equation. I like the second one here for some reason. 2x minus 3 in place of this y equals 1. Add that 3 to the other side. That gives me 4. 2x divided by the 2, x is 2. So there's my 2 and my 3, the solution to the system, and it's asking for an ordered pair if you read underneath the box this time. So make sure you put it in an ordered pair form. And we said 2, couple arrows to the right, and a 3. We should have it. I'm confident we did it in a couple different ways, got the same answer both times. So there you go, a couple ways you can work that problem. Good luck, everybody.